All right, this time let's create a text transition through scenery, a smooth effect where your words blend perfectly with your background, whether it's a forest, beach, or cityscape. This is ideal for travel vlogs, cinematic edits, or storytelling videos where you want your text to feel like part of the scene instead of floating above it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull off this polished transition that looks professional, but is super easy to do in CapCut. Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
In this chapter, I'll show you how to create a text transition that passes through scenery. I'll use a sea and rising sun background as an example, but this effect also looks amazing with deserts, cities, or any landscape. Start by adding your text to the timeline. Extend the text clip to about 16 to 17 seconds. Type the word you want. Here I'll keep it simple, with sunrise. Adjust the font style and size until it looks the way you want. Now, go to Animation In and choose the flip animation. Stretch it to around 7 seconds for a smooth effect. Once that's set, add a black background to your timeline. Then select both clips, right-click, and select Create Compound Clip. Next, drag in your background media, in this case sea and rising sun, and put it underneath the text animation. Select the text clip, go to Video Basic, Blend, Multiply, and you'll now see the scenery showing through the text. To add depth, use a mask effect. At the start of the clip, choose Film Strip Mask and stretch it to cover the full screen. Add a keyframe. Move the playhead about 4 seconds forward and adjust the mask again. Repeat this every few seconds, adding feathers and closing the mask gradually. Finally, add an opacity keyframe. Set it to full at the start, then lower it to 0 at the end of the clip. This makes the text fade out smoothly. For a finishing touch, go back to animation. Choose Roll Out and extend it to about 5 seconds. If you're learning something new, drop a comment below and let us know. Play it back, and you'll see your text transitioning beautifully through the sea, or any background you choose. That's how to create a text transition through scenery in CapCut.
Now you can make your titles flow naturally with your footage, adding a cinematic touch that really impresses viewers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with your fellow creators. And stick around. The next effect is even more exciting.